So what you're currently listening to is 4 individual melodies all playing at the same time. Not only do all these melodies work together, as long as we stay in the same key, listen to how we can play pretty much any bass note under them. Or even any chord progression. In this video, I'm going to show you a bunch of fun ways to generate your own pentatonic riffs, a technique used by countless producers, Bonobo being one of my favorite examples. So here we have a standard C minor scale made up of 7 different notes. If, however, we subtract the 2nd and 6th notes, we get a C minor pentatonic scale. Basically a scale within a scale. The reason this is useful is that melodies that stick to these 5 notes tend to work over pretty much anything in the same key. One nice feature in Ableton is the ability to set our pentatonic scale directly in a MIDI clip, allowing us to manually draw in any pentatonic riff we want. Another approach would be to use MIDI from elsewhere. You can either manually shift notes to fit into the scale, or simply click the Fit to Scale option. You can also just force the MIDI through Ableton's scale device. This is particularly useful if you're using a sequencer like Cthulhu, or one of the countless Max for Live options. One really fun trick is to very simply put all of the notes in the pentatonic scale through an arpeggiator. You can tweak the mode and rate to come up with all sorts of different riffs. You can also create different variations by removing or changing the octave of certain notes. I went a step further by using a Max for Live LFO to modulate the ARP's rate. Just a quick plug, this preset is from Pulse for Diva, one of the packs included in the 100 SynthHacker mega packs I'm dropping with this video. Links in the description, and remember, once they're gone, they're gone. Okay, my CPU was screaming at me, so we've stepped into a different project for this one, but here we have a pad from my pack Atmos for Diva, and I've fed a simple pentatonic melody through it. To make it sound more like a riff, I've used Shaperbox for some basic amplitude modulation. And again, listen to how this will work with any in-key chords we throw at it. Or again, a completely different bass line. I'll also mention that while we've been mainly focusing on MIDI in this video, you can also take a sample-based approach, for example using pentatonic vocal chops. I'd love to hear in the comments if you guys have any other creative melody tricks of your own. Subscribe for future tutorials, and feel free to check out this next video for some more sound design inspiration.